Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about ranunculus. They've become a year-round favorite. Spring and summer, they're fabulous. Off-season, it takes a little more care. Key is how you take care of them. Start by removing any damaged foliage, any side shoots that aren't nice. Then give it a fresh cut and dip it into quick dip. Don't skip this step. It does make a difference. Then, when you put it into the water, the other quick tip that you need to know is that you want it in very shallow water, about an inch. If you put them in deep water, they rot. They won't last as long. Now you know the pro tips for working with off-season ranunculus.